Hi, my name is Dominic with SafeandVaultStore.com. I'm going to show you today the SecureIt FB-47-01 Fast Box under bed gun safe. The SecureIt Fast Box can be mounted under a bed. It does come with the hardware to secure it under your bed, in the back of a vehicle, so in an SUV or a car, so you can put your rifles and other valuables inside, or you can order the optional vertical kit where it can stand straight up vertically and you can store 2 rifles inside in a closet. There are 2 ways to open the Fast Box. One is this push button lock, and you can set your own personal combination up to 8 digits. We're going to punch in the code here, and we're going to turn the handle and the door opens. The other way you can open it is with the override keys to get in case the battery dies or you forget your combination. There are holes in the bottom of this Fast Box to bolt to a solid surface, or they're on top if you wanted to mount it on top, or you can stack multiple units together if you wanted to have separate compartments for rifles. This could be used for like a sheriff's department or law enforcement to have multiple rifles stored. The SecureIt Fast Box has 13 inches of depth, and that allows you to store a rifle inside with a magazine and a scope. The Fast Box kit comes with the FB-47-01 Fast Box. It comes with this pad that goes inside to prevent scratches on your firearms. It comes with this mounting kit with adjustable feet to mount under your bed. And then it comes with these straps to hold your firearms in place so they don't slide around in your vehicle if you do install this in your vehicle. If you need a safe to store 1 or 2 rifles under your bed or in the back of a vehicle, you should consider the SecureIt FB-47-01 Fast Box under bed gun safe. My name is Dominic with SafeandVaultStore.com, and thank you for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates of all of our products and videos.